I checked the weather forecast last night, it said there was going to be snow in the mountains today. But now that I'm here, I'm not so sure. It's certainly cold enough, there's patches of ice here and there, and I got quite cold just standing flying my drone for 5 minutes. But the forecast has changed, and no, it's not looking likely that any more snow is going to fall. However, I have had a look at some of the summits, and I can see a little hint of white, a little hint of frost. So you know what? I'm going to go up anyway, and you can come along with me. But just quickly before then, I want to show you, if you're a videographer, oh, I really ruined that intro. If you're a videographer, I've invented a new term. A videographer is someone who takes videos and photos. Okay, let's try that again. If you're a photographer or a videographer, one of the most annoying things in winter is keep your hands warm. So I just want to quickly show you 3-part solution. Part number 1 is these PGY Tech photography gloves. Flip off fingertips. Part 2, underneath here, I've got a pair of really thin liner gloves. They're touchscreen. These are nice merino liner gloves from Decathlon. That is part 3, and this is a little chemical hand warmer. And if you want to see these gloves in more detail, head over to my tech channel and watch the longer video where I explain how these function in more detail. But let's head on up the mountain. It's getting cold. That over there, that is Slieve Donard, which is the tallest mountain in Northern Ireland, but probably not actually going to go up there, because instead I'm heading up this direction towards the summit of Commodore, which gives a far better view down into the Mourne Mountains. There's a few dark clouds over that way, maybe heading this way. Bring the snow! I don't want that much snow. If I can get enough snow to make one small snowman, I will be happy. I'll settle for that. It's freezing. I'm sticking another layer on, but I had to take my coat off to put it on. We're heading on up that way. Up, up, up. Visibility's going to disappear. It's going to get a lot colder very, very quickly. go! Look what I find! It's nature's lollipop! Oh! Oh, that's cold. This would also double as a disappearing dagger. Stabby, 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 stabby. Where's the murder weapon? I don't know, because it melted. I'm nearly... Oh, there it is. I see it. I see it. Here we go. Oh, look, there it is. There we go. Summit of Comida. And as promised, some of the best views of the Mournes. I can see absolutely nothing. I'm going to head that way, get to the wall, get to the shelter hut. This looks perfectly safe. Woo. Woo. Oh wow, look at this. Wow. Look over there. And then look over here. You can see the orange glow in the sky. The sun is over there somewhere trying to get through. But actually that's quite nice. It's a very flattering light on my face. Get a new profile shot. I slipped and fell on the steps. I don't know what I was trying to do there. I was trying to do some kind of dramatic entrance and then I just face planted on some rocks. Well, I got to the summit of Comida. I didn't find enough snow. Well, I don't know if you can call it snow. I just think it's like frost that's built up. So I definitely can't build a snowman. But at least I got out for a hike along a route that I don't actually do very often. That longer route up Comida is really good, and I always think Comida is a much nicer hike than get up Slave Donard, which is the tallest mountain. There's always a lot less people here, as you can see. Normally, on a, there might be some more people than this. There's absolutely no one here today. And yes, it wasn't as snowy as I hoped, but this is just the start of a cold spell. It's to get much colder next week. There'll be a lot more snow. So maybe I'll get back up here in proper snowy conditions and we'll get that snowman made. It's about a minus 13 degrees Celsius wind chill up here. Everything's starting to get coated in ice. Even my, look at that, even my magnificent eyebrows are starting to freeze. Woo! Look at that. The sun just broke through. Everything is now yellow. That's kind of cool. Well, that was epic. Turns out the cloud was only on the summit. And as soon as I came down onto the cloud, it all lit up like this. Wow. I feel instantly happier now having come up here today and done this. So glad I did. And thanks very much to you for all coming along. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I tried to do something a little bit different with the shots. I tried to make it a little bit slower, a little more cinematic. So you can let me know in the comments if you like this style, but as always, thanks for watching. Thanks to the channel members for all their support, and maybe someday I'll catch you in the trails. Bye bye. What a day. Ooh, what's this? Some kind of goodie bags. What goodies have we got in here? Oh. It's a pile of rocks. I I think Santa may have accidentally misplaced his naughty kids presents. Santa! I mean, I know that guy. I've done a few projects with Santa. Santa!